Hi, Chamang. How old are you?
5 years old.
Great. Okay, let's see. Okay. Show me, what can you see in the room? Show me 3 things. What can you see?
Pencil.
What is this?
Pencil.
This?
Table.
Good. And?
Pencil.
Okay. Quickly, you can tell me these, okay? Because
Wheel.
very good.
Here.
Oh. See.
See. Meow.
Smell.
Chain.
Taste.
Ten. Here.
Mm-hmm. Drink.
Chew.
And?
Eat.
Yes.
Feel.
Good. All right. Here's the next question. Which one is soft and which one is hard?
Soft.
And this one?
Hard.
Good. What shape is this? What shape is this? What shape? Triangle.
Triangle.
Right. Okay. Okay. Ready, Chanang? Keep listening, okay? Next one. Who is this? King.
King.
Dragon.
Dragon.
Treasure.
Treasure. Kisses.
Yes, that's correct. Giant.
Lion. Queen.
Mm-hmm. What is this?
Castle.
Castle, right.
Knife.
King.
King.
In this, which one can you hear? This one, which one can you taste? And last one, which one can you smell? Right, and what is this?
Eat.
Chicken, right? What's this one? Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Aeroplane.
Elephant.
You know what this is?
Feet.
Yeah, fish. Good. Okay. Now you have to show me beginning, middle, and end. Here we go. Show me beginning, middle, and end. Alright, that's correct. Okay, this is middle.
Middle. And.
Yes, that's right. Good job. Here. Which one has more ice cream? More ice cream. Yeah, and less ice cream? What do you want more? Do you want less ice cream or more ice cream? You want more ice cream. Next one. Okay, now you just have to tell me this and then we'll get over, okay? Last bit.
Ice cream.
Yes.
Cream. Pizza.
Right?
Cake.
Cake. Candles.
Candle. Balloon.
What is this? Present.
Present.
Good. Good pronunciation.
Ice cream.
That's right. Okay. Alright, Tamang, that's it, okay? You can go now. Bye.